Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 17 July 2018, 18 of hour, 01 of minute and 34 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can a dehumidifier help cool a room? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can a dehumidifier help cool a room. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can a dehumidifier help cool a room. However, unlike your AC, a dehumidifier does not blow out cool air as well. Its only job is to reduce the amount of humidity in the air. It is also much more effective at taking moisture out of the air than your air conditioner. However, a dehumidifier does not only take care of humidity. Last update September 29, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.